tracking list kung ano yung laman po ng container. So yung container po doon from the port of loading, iba-iba po nun ang may-ari. Kaya po mayroong tinatawag kaming consolidator abroad. Sa isang de 20 or de 40, there are instances na mayroon pong 3 o 5 ang may-ari.
Okay, let me interrupt. How do we determine who are the owners of the different packages contained in one container facilitated by one consolidator?
Your Honor, to tell you frankly, wala na po. Isa na lang ang may-ari nun, yung shipper na lang.
Shipper na lang.
Opo, yung nagpadala dito. Yung tunay na may-ari nun, sila na nag-uusap from the port of origin hanggang dito sa Pilipinas.
In other words, the real owners of this shipment talks to the shipper.
To the shipper, Your Honor.
They pay the shipper also
That's correct, Your Honor.
for allowing their shipment to be contained in the container.